Hi, everyone. Welcome to Oxygen Ark World. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of hyperbaric chambers. Have you ever wondered how these chambers work and why they are used? Well, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll explore the principles behind hyperbaric chambers and uncover their remarkable benefits. So, let's get started. To understand hyperbaric chambers, we need to first explore two fundamental laws of physics, Dalton's law and Henry's law. Dalton's law states that the total pressure exerted by a mixture of gases is equal to the sum of the partial pressures of each gas. At sea level, the total air pressure is 760 millimeters of mercury. This air consists of approximately 80% nitrogen and 20% oxygen. According to Dalton's law, the total pressure exerted by a mixture of gases is equal to the sum of the partial pressures of each gas. Using this principle, we can calculate the partial pressures of nitrogen and oxygen. The partial pressure of oxygen can be calculated by multiplying the total pressure by the fraction of oxygen in the air, which equals 152 millimeters of mercury. Similarly, the partial pressure of nitrogen can be determined by multiplying the total pressure by the fraction of nitrogen in the air, which equals 608 millimeters of mercury. It is the combination of the partial pressure of nitrogen and the partial pressure of oxygen that gives the air its total pressure of 760 millimeters of mercury at sea level. Now, let's move on to Henry's law. This law states that the amount of gas dissolved in a liquid is directly proportional to the partial pressure of that gas above the liquid. The greater the partial pressure of the gas, the greater the number of gas molecules that will dissolve in the liquid. What does this mean in the context of hyperbaric chambers? Let's imagine the liquid is blood in pulmonary capillary, the gas part is oxygen in alveolus. Applying Henry's law to hyperbaric chambers, when the oxygen partial pressure is increased, the amount of oxygen dissolved in our body's fluids, such as plasma and tissues, also increases significantly. This promotes healing and enhances the body's natural repair mechanisms. Now that we understand the underlying principles, let's explore how we bring it all together. Inside a hyperbaric chamber, we have two essential components. On the right side, we have a person who pumps air into the chamber, gradually increasing the air pressure. This process creates a pressurized environment for the user. Simultaneously, another person on left side introduces pure oxygen into the chamber. They utilize an oxygen tank to supply the pure oxygen, further enhancing the concentration of oxygen in the user's alveoli. To ensure the user can breathe in this oxygen-rich atmosphere, the oxygen is delivered through either a mask or a headset. This allows the person inside the chamber to inhale the beneficial oxygen. How about we replace above two hard-working guys with machines? Allow me to demonstrate the operation of the Oxygen Ark 301 chamber through an animation. The central control unit combines an air compressor and an oxygen generator. The air compressor employs either a rotary vane pump or a piston pump to create the pressurized environment. Similarly, the oxygen generator utilizes pumps to push air through its molecular sieve, resulting in the generation of pure oxygen. This pure oxygen is then delivered to the users via a headset or mask. Congratulations! You've now gained a solid understanding of the principles behind hyperbaric oxygen treatment and the operation of a hyperbaric chamber. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to show your appreciation by hitting the like button below if you now comprehend how it all works.